Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Davinci Resolve. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export a project. So let's say you want to export this project. Let's say you want to export demo project. That file does include some videos. So let's say you want to hand over this project file to your colorist or maybe some other editor. Let's say you are working with multiple editors, you want to hand it over. The exact thing that you're going to use is exporting this project. So what you have to do, right click and then click on export project. So what this is going to do is actually make a file called demo import.drp, and you could assign where you want to save, and then you could save, and then that file will be there. Let's save this in my desktop. Okay, I've saved it. Now if I go to my desktop, look at this. This is the file that we have saved. So one thing that we need to keep in mind about this thing called demo import drp is that demo import drp, the Davinci Resolve project file, doesn't include any media inside that. Okay, so let's say, as I said, this .drp only includes the project settings, the project backups, and the video editing that you have done. All the data regarding that, the informations regarding your workflow, but not the media, not the video, not the audio, or anything like that. So let's say the other editor that you were working on wants to work on this video. That editor does need to have that access to the original media. If and only if he have that access to that media, then only this demo import is gonna work. So this is gonna be a small file. Let's check for the properties. It is actually 43 KB. That means it does only have the informations, the project settings, and the project backup files. Again, no media files, anything like videos or audios or media files, any kind of media files, just the informations of the edits, the backup settings, the project settings, the node trees, and all those kind of things. So this is gonna only include those settings, not the media. So keep that thing in your mind when you export a project, when you want to share a project to a fellow editor or a colorist, or let's say your friend who's going to edit or who's going to work more. He or she should definitely have access to the original media file in order for him to continue working on the project that you have been working. So that's how you export a project in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Until we meet in the next video, uh, have a good day.